think my friends can hear me. Oh, yeah, I can do commentary. Yeah. So this is the island. We're back. Great. Oh God. Kelvin. Fisheye. Okay, we're trying to find a rich man. Another rich woman. And a woman.
You're not gonna find anyone alive down there.
You sure? Yeah, we'll be fine. Oh wait, are we getting shot down? Alright, Kelvin. Oh, is he dead? Is he dead? Okay, that guy's definitely dead. That guy right there. Oh, Kelvin. Oh no. Oh God. Oh, I'm dead, definitely. Oh shit. Oh God, this man's gonna New Vegas me.
Now who invited you here?
Truth is, the game was rigged from the start.
He's gonna New Vegas me. Oh, great. Guys? You here? Neff? Manton? Oh!
Hello?
Hi! I saw you fall from the sky. How you doing, Nith?
I was sent here by the heaven angels.
How you doing? Manton? Where's Manton?
Probably not here yet.
Ah, he's still falling. Okay.
Dear gods, my eyes. Oh, hello.
Oh, he's back. He's here.
Yeah?
Where am I?
Oh, there's animations to it. I fucking love that.
Who are you guys?
Manton.
That was I thought that was a rock! That was a grenade!
Yeah, it was a grenade.
Why?
Wait, where's Manton? Wait, where's Manton?
I think you launched him. Oh, hey, there's fish.
I fucking launched him!
He's off the side of the mountain. Why? Why did you do this? I
don't know.
It seems we have a friend here that's still a
Yeah,
bit injured.
we'll leave him. We'll leave him for a second.
Okay.
Oh,
there's a
he's
cave
gone.
that way.
Oh, he's gone. Wait, how do we equip our radio?
How did you... Oh, no, you killed him, and then he respawned. That's
No,
why he's
I
down there.
flung him. No, I flung him.
Manton, you have a walkie-talkie in your backpack. Pull it out and then speak.
Manton, you okay
Hello?
down there?
Hello? What?
Manton, you alright down there?
Who the hell are you?
Wait, I'm the one that blew
Did you?
you
No,
up.
no, no. Shush. Let me handle this. We are your saviors. A very bad man just launched you off the side of this mountain, and we're here to save you. We'll be there in just a moment. Try to keep yourself safe down there. We're on our way.
I'm going to you guys.
Just stay where you are. Stay where you are.
It's a bad idea. We're on the side of a mountain.
Oh, he's getting shot. I hear gunshots.
No, like, there's people. They tied me up, bro.
Yes, we are aware.
We are aware of that. We will.
They look dangerous.
Yeah, we know about that. Just
are they
wait.
zombies?
Yeah, don't mind that. Just turn off your radio until we get down there. Just keep radio silence. How do I turn Nith? How do I turn off my radio?
It's T.
T. Thank you.
Okay, look. God, this is already off to a wonderful start.
This is wonderful.
I say, you go down there and help him, because he needs help. I'm gonna head up here and see what I can find up at the cave. Alright?
Okay.
Who should take him with him? Because, like, we got a friend back there who is still struggling. He is having a rough time of it.
Okay. I'll pick him up.
Should I take him with me?
I'll pick him up.
I don't... Alright. Because we need to give him orders.
Oh my god, he is autistic.
Okay, first off, no. Second off, he has literal brain damage.
Ah!
He's bleeding out of the ears. He is now deaf.
Okay, he regained consciousness. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
You need to give him a simple order, like follow me or stay here. I suggest I take him if you're gonna go meet up with Manton, and then I'm gonna head up that way.
How do I get out of this?
I think it's just press the arrow away from the words or whatever. I don't know.
Okay. I'm just gonna do follow me for now.
All right. I will.
It's starting to get dark. I'm scared.
All right. I'm coming to save you, Manton.
I am going to be absent for a little while. Don't worry, I am not getting the milk. I'm just going up this mountain for a quick moment.
Yeah,
I will meet up with you guys soon.
Me and Kelvin are coming to save you. All right, Manton.
Kelvin, my childhood friend.
Yeah, your childhood friend. Ah, there he is. I found Kelvin. Never mind. Okay. Walter, can you still hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh shit.
I'm very hungry.
Yeah, we'll don't worry. Oh my god, Kelvin has the hops.
Okay,
Is Kelvin hurt?
No, he's fine. He's perfectly fine. Speaking of being fine, there are some tents up here. It is up to you guys whether or not we should hold up here. Fair warning, there are tents and there are supplies, but it is very open. And all I'm gonna say is, if something were to come across us, it would be very easy for it.
Help me! There's a person!
Oh shit! What is that?
Those are our neighbors.
Hi, how you doing? But no,
I hate my neighbors.
Manton.
I have something important to tell you guys. Should I wait until after or before you do this?
After. Well, we should wait. Okay, we'll be back. Nick.
Okay, whatever you say.
All right, get off the radio.
I'm on my way back down the mountain.
Go
Oh my
for it,
god, you guys
Walter.
are far down there.
We're oh shit.
Kelvin, buddy. What happened to his ear?
Yeah, don't mind that. Walt.
My name isn't Walter.
Yeah. Okay, fine. We'll go off your code name. All right, Manton. All right.
I remember.
Okay.
I was flying to Malibu with Kelvin, and like it was for my wedding. What?
Kelvin just pointed to something.
Yeah, there's a person like there. What else?
No, he pointed over there. Oh yeah, hi. How you doing? Ow. Okay. How do we? Man, no. Manton.
There's another one.
Okay, we need to start moving. Okay, we are getting cornered by cannibals. We are gonna have to start moving.
Okay.
Yeah, every time you do that, it brings you specifically to a place that has bad people.
Golden mask.
That's not too bad. Now's a good time to tell you the important thing.
Sure.
They get more aggressive the more aggressive you are to them, so the more you kill them, the more they will want to kill you.
Can we take this guy's mask?
No.
Guys, I think I did something.
Yes, you did.
You did? Yeah, you did something.
How do I put it down? I'm scared.
You can't.
Kelvin, look.
Okay,
Kelvin?
yeah.
In our fucking helicopter.
Kelvin is.
They make a perfect couple.
Yes.
I'm not gay.
Okay.
Well, then who the hell are you marrying?
Manton!
Kelvin.
Manton! Look at me. Look at me when I say this. Kelvin's deaf. He's deaf now because of the helicopter crash. What? Okay. Manton, come on. Manton, come on. Manton.
He's taking his anger out on that tree.
Alright, Manton, come on. There's a cave near here. We can't live in
Did
there.
my wife survive?
Yes, she did. That's why we're on this island.
How do you know?
Well, yeah, we're still here. Well, we're still here for your marriage, man. We're not gonna just fucking abandon that because a plane crashed. What do you think we are?
Helicopter.
Fucking savages? Yeah, it's a helicopter, whatever. There's a cave.
No, I
1 second.
came from a plane.
1 second, guys.
He's going in the cave.
Okay.
I have a lighter.
Nith, why are we...
This is what lighter
you know we
run
can
out.
see it on
forgot.
This one we can. Also, do either of you have tracker beacons? I suspect we don't. We can get, like, markers to put on the GPS. Don't go in there! Hey. I don't think we
This
have
is
any.
a weird lighter.
Wait, yes, you do! Wait. Is that... No, that's a lighter. Alright, shit. We can get stuff for this later. For now, hopefully that's good enough for now.
Yeah,
Guys,
I'll
I'm getting
remember.
really hungry.
Just let us figure out shit, okay? We know you're hungry. You're a fucking caveman. Oh, shit, he got a lot of sticks.
Yes, but now he's gonna drop them on the floor.
No, thank you. Thank you, Kelvin.
I feel like I'm going to regret this advice, but I'm gonna give you some advice. If you see any question marks randomly appearing to you in the middle of the forest, eat it. That's actually a good idea. If it's not a question mark and it's like a red Pac-Man, don't eat it. If it's a green Pac-Man, do eat it. Because that means it's good for you.
Are you delusional?
Well, I'm not saying like it's actually gonna... I'm being metaphorical here, alright?
Nith.
Hey, before you guys start building, there's a little bit of a clearing down this way.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's come on, Walt. No, Manton.
Down here.
Sorry. Yeah, let's build here. Never mind.
You can call me both if you wanna.
Oh, yeah.
You know what?
Shoot! Raccoon!
What do you mean, raccoon?
Don't go there! Don't go there!
Hey guys, there's a pretty nice like little lake down here.
I got it!
Nice.
There's a pretty nice lake down the way over
we
there.
got
If you
food.
guys want to
We
maybe
got food.
sit up around there.
Perfect red meat. Now we just need a fire.
We'll tell Kelvin. Wait, where's Kelvin?
Shouldn't we... Where... Kelvin?
Kelvin?
He's on the map. He's over by the road there.
All right, you guys stay here. I'll go get him. Kelvin. There you are. Come on, bud.
No, don't kill raccoons
I found him.
either.
I already speared a raccoon for food.
Okay, well, like, stand still. Do you want me to give you rope or not?
Kelvin!
Yeah, I found him.
Stand the fuck still.
God, you're annoying. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how
There.
to. 1 second.
Thank you.
We're setting up base here.
Yes. There's a tarp across the way if anyone needs one.
Okay.
If you look over here, there's a little bit of a supply drop.
Now we need rocks. Oh. Hi, Kelvin.
Shouldn't we make a house near the beach?
Something's going down quick. I'm gonna... no, it looks like you guys are
Can you put
handling
down,
the fire right now.
Can you put down put down rocks? No, rocks!
Yeah, don't fucking...
Alright.
That quicker.
Oh!
Get out of here! Shoo! Yeah. God.
Will fire attract these guys?
Most likely.
No, actually, it'll scare them away a little.
So wait, can I break these rocks into smaller rocks?
It'll attract the bigger guys, but they aren't a problem for now. Those rocks you can build with, but they are a bit of a pain to do that with, so I just leave them alone for now. Twigs, so it's just a circle there.
I don't want to eat the raw meat.
Plant it. Then you surround the stick with rocks. You're already doing something else.
Larry.
Because we do kind of have a couple people around us right now in the trees, so just careful with what you're doing.
Give me the goddamn head. It's the only thing that
Shut-
reminds me of my wife.
No! I just ate raw meat.
If you die.
You two are horrific.
Die behind you!
I'm scared for my own well-being.
I just ate raw meat again!
Stop clicking on the meat! Let's make a quick shelter and then sleep through the night.
Alright, I'll build it.
No, I got it.
No, I got it.
No, I got it.
No, I got it.
Okay, Nith has it. Nith has it.
I think there's... Why is Kelvin so scared?
Gather around the tent!
Gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song.
Careful, don't kill them! Careful, 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 careful! Kill them, it just makes the others angrier. All you want to do is scare them away.
Back up! Back up!
Alright, let's try to sleep again.
What are you gonna do with that rock?
Nothing.
Okay. Alright, let's get moving to one of these exclamation points. A. Can you not?
That might not be a good idea. Let's go to this one. Or wait, no. Yes, okay. 2 of these we can do, one of them we cannot. So yes, follow me,
No,
everyone.
Gotta wait.
Shoot!
Everyone, follow me! Walter!
God. He's like our autistic child.
Shut up, dude.
No, that's Kelvin.
Oh, there's a flare over here.
Oh shit, you're right.
We're here.
Walter,
I'll go
come
check
here.
it out. I'll go check it out.
Come here.
My stamina.
No. I know what it is. Let's go.
Ooh, loot.
Walter, come here. Got goodies.
Goody.
I got a C4 brick.
I got a freshly dead man. Also a new axe.
Joshua! Joshua!
My name ain't Josh.
Joshua!
Talking to the dead guy.
Oh, we got an axe.
He's alive!
We got a better axe.
Yes.
Fucker owes me $5.
Yeah, Walter. Walter. Axe.
What?
Take.
That's this guy's name, who was alive.
Hey, Manson.
Yes.
Don't eat the Mario mushrooms.
Tion,
Don't do it again.
put that down.
Don't.
Put that down.
Oh yeah, probably should have mentioned. Hey, both of you, shut the fuck up and listen. We didn't save when we slept, so let's save now.
I did.
Good to know. We should
I
all
didn't.
save though, or else we all lose our stuff.
Alright, I saved.
Did they have a cooking pot somewhere?
Just so you know, we're doing an Iron Man run of this, so
Oh
What does
shit.
Iron Man run mean?
explain it.
Ah! Why the fuck?
I hit shit to
You don't
open
even
it.
need to hit these cases!
I hit them to open them now. I'm used to... Also, I need water
Yeah.
badly.
That's why I was asking if they have a pot, because we can only get clean
I'm very
water if we have a
hungry.
pot.
Vodka. Can we use the skulls to just scare them off?
No, shush. I think I'm honing into my cooking skills.
Rah.
Get away from me.
Oh.
All right.
Yo,
we have some wild berry jam being cooked up now. Fair warning. Do not drink it all. We are sharing this.
Oh man. I got a head.
You too, motherfucker.
Yay! I got a head.
Oh, now you tell me. Can you hand me that? 'Cause hold on, yeah. Can you give me that? I need that.
I can't.
Nice chair.
I need to sit.
Hold E on me. Pull out the
I
backpack.
know how. Just turn around.
Guys, I'm really hungry.
It's cooking right in front of you. And then after this, we'll have another thing cooking. Why did I have to turn around for this?
Because I
There.
have to go into your bag.
Thank you. You don't have to do that, but whatever. Alright, once the jam is done, we'll all partake of a little bit of it, and then once the next thing is done, we will also all partake in it. Now we'll
I'm
start
still
cooking
hungry.
the next thing.
I need more food.
I know,
I
I'm
think
making
we need
more.
more
I'm
rocks,
going to kill you.
Dude, it's
We
a
actually,
chair.
if you guys want, we could set up around here, because the next thing I'm making
Actually,
will make
yeah.
us chop down trees way faster.
He's... Ah! No!
Stop! Okay, you need to move the fucking chair away from the fire.
No. Whoever takes it, whoever steals it, they get the consequence. I'm still sitting
How
down.
the- How...
Because I know fucking Eldritch Magics, alright?
No, he's gone. He's gone.
If you just click block with your axe, that also works. You just spook them away by doing that, it doesn't hit them. Do any of you have more rocks? We need to place more rocks
Yeah.
around there.
I have.
You can put that back on the fire, please?
You messed up too, didn't you?
Yes. Drink some? There.
Okay. Oh my god, I have 3 yellow...
Start chopping down trees, now! Go, 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 go,
Alright,
fast!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Greg Soup makes you way more efficient at cutting down trees! Work, work, work! Go, go, go! Manson, quick tip. Seem to have already learned the first one, so I will ignore that. But, you don't need to manually place them in. If you throw them, they will also go in.
Let me test that. Oh, it did.
Actually, before you start working on anything, do you want to head up there and grab the body with him? You want to head up there with...
I'm gonna tell him to take a break. He's done enough.
Yeah. I'm gonna head up to... I'm gonna head up to Manton. Feel free to follow. We're gonna go grab that
I'm
exclamation.
gonna stay here. I'm gonna stay here.
You sure? There's good stuff.
You guys just take it down dim.
That's not how it works. Items are local.
Okay, fine then. Kelvin is just gonna...
Manson, we're on our way back up. We're not back up, but we're on our way to give you backup. Whatever.
Yeah, and Kelvin is, I'm gonna... Okay, Nith, wait up. I'm gonna tell Kevin to maintain the base.
So good to know. I'm forgetting
Where's Manson?
Why is Kelvin sitting on my chair?
Oh shit! Hey! This is gonna be funny. Don't tell Manson.
What?
Hey, Manson, stay at the base with, Kelvin. We are on our way back soon, but for now we are about to grab something.
Oh my god, we should move base to here.
No, we should not. Okay, where is it? Where is it?
Cereal.
Help! Help!
I know. Oh! Oh, wait a minute. I respawned to the exact same one. Okay.
Indeed, you spawned the closest one to you.
That... Well, we're immortal.
Before we release ourselves, never mind, you're already doing it.
We're immortal.
I wouldn't say that. Where the hell is this fucking thing? The thing we came here for, I can't see it.
I found the crunchy munchies.
Crunchy wunchy! See you in a crunchy mode! Where the hell is the thing I came here for?
You fucking...
Okay, honestly, yeah, just fucking slaughter them.
Ow!
I got you, don't worry.
You hit me, dumbass.
No, I didn't. Decapitation!
Oh dear god.
Yeah, that's one of the big guys. They are tough. Back away from him a bit. Also, you're using the weaker axe.
Oh, I am?
Ah, fuck!
Oh, the dynamite's here.
Oh god, he wasn't even aiming at me!
Got him.
Make sure he's dead!
Oh! Someone is screaming, that's crazy. Alright, Nith, come on.
I know. I still haven't even seen the thing.
Manson, you're fine. Just get your radio out and you can speak.
There's a person. There's two people here.
Two people.
Here, my
Here it is! Hey, look!
What is it?
This! Take!
What is that?
Kelvin's acting like.
Take that! Take it!
I've already got it. No, dude, you took it from me.
How? There are two, so pick up the one I just dropped. There, now we both... Okay, that was fucking weird. Be careful not to run into trees. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's head back.
Hey, Manson, we're on our way back.
Oh my god, this is awesome. This
Please,
is awesome.
please hurry.
I think it's like F or... No, double jump. There you go. Pick it up and move it across, and then we'll go... Wait, where... Is he? Okay, no, he's still on. Okay, there he is.
Yeah, he's still at the base.
Yeah, don't say anything about it. Just rock up on him with it.
Alright.
Hey, Manton here. Please don't use your phone while
If
driving.
you want, you can take mine.
Hey, Manton, how you
Be
doing?
careful. It is very easy to hit a rock and then go flying, so careful not to do that.
Yeah, oh god. Oh, he's gone. He's zooming.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Ow!
Oh.
Hi, Nith. Nith? Nith? Oh no. Oh god. Guys, I'm getting chased, I'm getting chased. I'm getting chased, please help.
Come back! We're fine now! Come back, I repeat,
Am I
come
the
back!
only one that died?
Are you serious?
Maybe, I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Who is
Give me one of
making
the
a
bodies,
skull
that's the attack,
throne?
Ellie.
Who is making a skull throne?
Not me.
Definitely not me.
Are you making a skull throne? Because I want to make another.
Alright, this one's mine because I'm most
Wait,
important.
what?
Get out of my seat.
Manton. Manton.
You get your eyeball.
Oh god.
I get the king's throne.
Where's mine? Okay, here. Can it be stored in the inventory? No.
The
Okay.
K drive? I think so. Alright,
This
yeah,
is
no,
not a
never mind.
K drive.
Alright,
Isn't that what that's
Nith,
called?
I
Isn't it
killed-
that what it's called? Or no, it's
Nith,
like
I killed one
the
of the-
stallion.
We're not playing
I
Warframe.
killed one of the bodies, so I get to like
Yeah,
do
we're
because it's my.
Yeah, take its body parts.
Okay, do I have
Okay.
meds? Does anyone have meds?
No.
You think after all that I'd still have meds?
Hey,
Another person.
apparently I need a jaw for the health mix.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep ratting.
Alright, now I'm gonna make a house for us.
They see me rolling.
Sounds good.
They hate it. I know that.
Did that finish it?
I got a raw oyster, cash, energy bar, and cake.
Oh my god!
See? Get away. Get away.
Oh! Everyone, weapons down!
Oh, that
Wait.
was...
Sabrina, come back! Hey, Virginia. Virginia.
I said weapons down!
I said weapons down!
Press G, Manton. Hey.
You're fucking scaring her
Virginia.
away!
Oh, Virginia.
Well, I don't think your
Does
wife
she not
loves
love
you
me
anymore.
anymore?
To be fair, he just chased her with an axe through the forest, so... That's what I was talking about earlier, by the way, when I said it's concerning that you keep mistaking Kelvin for a cannibal. I was like, oh god, he's going to kill her immediately.
Yeah, he kinda did that. But yeah, I need meds, like, right now.
I don't have any, man, I'm sorry.
Manton, stop trying to chase down your fucking wife. Goddamn.
You would chase down your goddamn wife.
Manton!
No, I wouldn't! I would let her come back willingly. I wouldn't chase her through the forest with an axe!
I'm not.
That is not the sane course of decision.
God damn it.
I see her.
Oh my god.
Dude, come back. going to kill her and just come back and chill.
The cannibals are trying to kill her.
Okay, then kill the cannibals.
Trust me, they won't.
Okay.
God, cannibals are trying to kill me.
Oh, hey, there she. I just watched her. I just saw her. She came
Oh.
back. She came. She just ran by. Just missed her.
Hey, Nith,
Another log.
how do I get planks on the side of this?
I think you have to pre-split a log and then place them. Whoa! Or do that. Also.
Oh,
You know you can hold F to disassemble things, right?
I did not know that. Ah, there it is.
Bad chair.
And you made me not want to build. Fuck you.
I don't fucking know, man.
Why is everything blue?
Because you have your lighter out.
Okay, white color's better. Ow, my eyes.
What those cows?
I have no sticks. Manton? Are you doing alright? Manton? Are you okay? Is that Nith? Is that Nith screaming?
Wasn't.
Manton, can you speak? Are you like Kelvin now? Nith?
What?
I think Manton's one of the cannibals now. Manton, get back here! Okay, let's... Okay.
My
Everyone
favorite
get to the
pastime is
bed, let's
chasing
save.
crazy people around while yelling songs.
Okay, come on, we need to sleep.
We have tents.
I don't have sticks.
We have tents over here.
This is my bed.
Oh, we have tents? Okay, that's his.
Yes. Oh no. Well, at least I can see a little better. Oh yeah,
Okay.
by the way, these things work as good flashlights. Oh, behind you!
Okay, let's try and, Oh god, Kelvin. Come on, let's sleep, let's sleep.
Hey, these woods are dangerous, you know. Plenty of thieves and bandits around.
God.
Deal. One of us should hold the motorcycles and use them as flashlights.
Alright.
Someone needs to be a spotlight while the rest of us kill.
I got it.
Wait. Oh, I see him.
Manton, speak, please. Manton! Speak, please.
Killed him! Oh, wait. Is there more? There's more. Killed another one.
Oh, God.
Oh my god!
Oh, Jesus.
Hey, one of them dropped a skin wallet.
What?
Skin.
Skin wallet.
Oh.
It's like a loot box, but skin wallet.
I took it.
Oh, God. Okay,
You can open it in your inventory in the crafting table.
Oh, I don't
I know.
like that. I don't like that.
I got some wire, meds, tape, some berries.
Oh my God, meds, thank God.
It's actually kind of easy to see with how full the moon is out right now. You guys see
I got
this?
meds.
This is actually really nice.
Yeah. Now let's sleep.
We should probably still sleep though. Hey, Walter, we're going to sleep.
What the f-
God!
Alright, sleep again, sleep again. Try
I
to sleep again.
think you... No, that's not how this works. We have to get rid of... It's like fucking... You cannot sleep right now. There are monsters nearby. We have to deal with them.
With me. You're near me, guys. You're
Alright, I got him. Oh, wait, no, there's more? Fuck.
Oh
Arthur.
God.
near me.
How? How?
We need to get moving now.
So at least get to the more stuff.
Okay, let's sleep.
Sleep!
Quick.
What?
Motherfucker! Remove yourself from my presence at once! Sleep.
Oh, thank God.
Ah! Good
The
morning!
light.
We gotta get moving. We gotta
We
get
got
moving.
raccoons.
Not right now, hold on.
Stop. Stop for a second. Stop. Stop. Damn it.
Calvin, move.
That's not Kelvin.
No. Yo.
Okay, I'm gonna tell Kelvin to follow me. Okay, I need food. Food and
I
food
have
and water.
pot of Greg if you need some.
1 second, I'm gonna... No, don't worry, I'm just gonna eat my energy bar.
You don't want half a pot of Greg soup?
Yeah, I'll take some Greg soup
I do.
anyway. Wait, who the fuck is Greg?
My childhood friend.
Don't ask those questions.
Get away. Get away.
Okay.
I'm gonna walk away from you before that explodes.
What?
Hey, your wife's back!
Manton. Just walk slowly up to your wife. Is that an eagle? Okay. Manton, I don't think she remembers you. I think she's just like... Okay, Nith? Do you think she
Yeah?
has memory loss like, Kelvin?
Man, I'm not gonna lie. No, I'm not gonna lie. I just think her husband, Max, Forrest,
Oh, yeah.
after a plane crash, was a little bit much for her.
Yeah.
don't think she has memory loss. I think she's just a bit freaked the fuck out.
Okay. Manton, we're gonna be, roaming here in a second.
Have like a little
No,
cliff
we
house or
have
something?
foot space. We have foot space. What do you mean?
You just need to clear up the bushes.
Well,
yeah,
no,
I
what I
have
was saying
meds.
earlier was I don't know how much foot traffic this gets, like how many cannibals walk through here.
Oh, dude, this is perfect. We should get, like, cannibals there, and
We should get a treehouse.
Kelvin's,
Even he's scratching his head. He doesn't know how he got up here.
What is that? Move.
Oh, God. Wait, let's watch this. Let's watch this. His wife! His wife's down there. Okay, let's try and make...
There's
I'm gonna go make
there's a cannibal
contact.
camp.
I'm gonna go make
There's a
contact.
cannibal. I'll follow you. I know how to fight.
I'll follow you. I know how to
No.
decapitate cannibals in one hit.
Okay, fine.
Hey. Hey, you doing alright? You okay? You wanna be friendly? You wanna be friendly? Ooh.
Cannibals are
Maybe
prey.
go
not
raid
go
it.
over there? Maybe not?
Let's raid
They're
it.
praying.
Oh, shit. Manton. Crouch. 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 Oh, shit. Yeah, hide behind me, you fucking pussy.
Hide in the bushes, bro.
Are they...
You guys trying to hide over here?
Nith, they see you. Oh,
Yes.
come on, you motherfucker. Turn it off.
Your wife's bathing. Ow. Ah! I thought that was him! I thought that was it! Oh shit, there's a really nice lake down here.
Don't you hurt Kelvin! Please, you hurt Kelvin!
God damn. Okay.
Another one.
You think we should break down this cannibal camp and, live at it?
I say we don't. That is a horrible idea for reasons I might tell you later.
Okay then.
Nith, tell us now.
No, we're fine, we're fine.
Let's just say, when you dig up the raccoon's nest, the bears move in.
Oh. Okay. Then,
Okay.
yeah, Manton, let's not then.
Yeah, let's.
Let's not and say yes.
Come down to me! There's a nice little lake down here.
Ooh! Oh my
what do you
god,
guys think about this?
This is perfect.
Yeah, but it's still near a camp. Foot traffic would be insane.
Being near one is not bad because he respawns fast.
Then let's stay here. Let's stay here.
No, but still the foot traffic. Alright.
Does any of you have meds?
There's fishes.
Hey, I don't think we're the first to have the idea.